Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one clear question that fits a short. This is the hook that grabs viewers. Once chosen, set your camera to 9:16 vertical and frame tight. Make sure lighting and sound are clean so viewers stay. Record a concise 1-2 sentence answer, then capture one visual example or B-roll to illustrate the point. Do this now so you have a complete capture set: hook, answer, and supporting clip, which keeps editing fast and focused. Once you have your clips, edit with a sharp pace. Trim pauses, cut to the answer quickly, and insert a visual punch in the first seconds to retain attention. Make sure captions are accurate and timed to the speech. This boosts watch-through and accessibility. Use jump cuts to remove filler and layer a subtle SFX under the punch for emphasis. Finally, place a short end-screen CTA, asking viewers to follow or drop another question, so you can gather ideas for the next short. You publish with a title and first-line description that restates the question and relevant keywords so discovery works. Make sure to select a thumbnail showing you and a readable caption. Schedule for your audience peak hours to maximize initial velocity. Once live, monitor retention at 0:15s. If views or watch time are low, iterate quickly. Change thumbnail, revise captions, or re-edit the opening hook. This troubleshooting loop fixes most issues and teaches you what retains your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.